The Rhetorical pouch comes in 4 different sizes, and the secret sauce is the clear vinyl window in the front and the box corners at the bottom, which allows this pouch to stand up all on its own. Here's what the bottom and the sides look like, and the back is a really great place to use a large scale print. And this one's the smallest one. This is size small. And let me show you what it looks like on the inside. For this particular pouch, everything's sewn right sides together. This pattern comes together quickly with minimal pieces to cut out for this project, but if you'd like to get a little adventurous, you can add some of your quilt blocks to the back. So the quilt blocks are not included in the instructions, but if you have some orphan blocks, maybe a great opportunity to dress these pouches up a bit.